Hey guys, this is James from James Eye Photography and welcome to video number 1 in the DIY Disasters series. Today we're actually up in Cardiff shooting our video with lovely Lauren Manane from Lauren Manane Makeup here in Cardiff. She has very graciously let us use her studio, and what we're going to be doing today is seeing what happens when you let someone who's not a professional makeup artist do your wedding makeup. In this instance, it will be me who is attempting to do a bride's makeup. Don't fret, she's not actually getting married today. I would never attempt that because she'd kill me. So what you're gonna see is me doing the makeup first, then you're gonna see Lauren, AKA a professional, doing the makeup second, and then we're gonna see the final reveal side by side. But first, just a little bit about Lauren. How long have you been doing makeup for professionally?
I've been doing it for over 10 years now.
Okay. I've been doing it for about 5 minutes. So,
okay.
How do you think today's gonna go? What do you think's gonna happen? Am I gonna kill it?
I think you will. I think you've seen enough makeup artists doing their job to not do too badly.
I have seen a lot of...
I have faith.
I have seen a lot of makeup artists. It is part of my job to photograph makeup artists, and I feel like I know what I'm doing. Like I know what all the brushes are and all the boxes with the stuff in it is. She's probably laughing at me. So I don't see how this could possibly go wrong, but stay tuned to find out. Let's do this.
Let's go.
Oh, Jesus Christ. It's going to be atrocious. First off, you need to tell me what to do.
Okay, so I start off with eyes first, but I feel like you should start with foundation first.
Oh, shit. Oh, crap. No, I've seen people put it on the back of their hands.
You can have it, yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Go for it. Oh, don't get any in those lashes.
It's not good already. Okay, this side doesn't look as retarded.
What?
Nothing.
Don't buff it out.
You look absolutely beautiful. Oh shit. Foundation is done.
Yes.
Shut up.
Let's go for some blush. The black one's called Orgasm, so that's always a good one.
Smells nice. I like it. I think I know where blush goes.
I can just picture what it looks like. Don't make me laugh, I'll cry.
I'm gonna cry for the both of us, don't worry about it. I don't know what I'm doing.
Let's blush that bad boy.
I thought I had concealer in my hand.
Do you want to do some contouring?
Oh
Like we
shit.
do in Lightroom.
Oh!
That one.
I got you on this. I can tell already it's not a good choice. Oh my god, what the fuck is contouring? There was a point in time where I had it and I think I lost it. Alright, let's say contouring is done.
Okay, so we're going to go with some eyeshadows now.
Oh, you showed me eyeshadows before.
Yep, so you've got plenty to choose from. Oh, you're channeling your Fallout Boy concert history, aren't you?
Yeah, after this we're going to like some kind of old school punk. We're going to see Good Charlotte or something. Okay.
Brows.
I know brows.
No.
Oh, that's red.
There's lips.
Do you hold their heads or something?
You can do whatever you like.
Like I'm tattooing
my
your
eyes to make you feel more comfortable.
Yeah, like I'm tattooing your face or something.
Concentration, James.
Lips, I know. So it's just like colouring in the lines, right?
Yeah. Or outlining.
It looks like she's got a seedy red bow. What do you think so far, Lauren? Of the lips? Oh my god, lipstick is really firm. I thought it was like a liquid. I just want to quit right now. And we're done.
Yay!
Okay, we'll spin you around in a second. Right in time for the big reveal. Oh.
Close your eyes, Marge. And now you're ready for a night on the town.
colour.
I love it. I love the colour.
I'm gonna fix her.
Please don't, Lauren.
Okay.
It's
gonna feel
very pretty.
Less aggressive. Much better.
Yeah.
Who would you recommend?
I think I'm gonna have to go with Lauren.
Alright guys, so that was it. It was fun. Maybe it was fun for me, but maybe not so much for this one. Two things. For people watching, what was the difference between having a professional do your makeup and having me, who I think we can now safely call not a professional, do your makeup?
I would say just how rough you were, and the end result definitely. But it was a lot funnier with you.
Yes.
It was a good laugh.
Yeah, so if you're looking for a comedic makeup artist, you can book me.
And he's fast.
Yeah.
Very fast on the makeup. That I can definitely do. That's part of my appeal when booking makeup. I guess at this point, who would you book for your wedding? Me or Lauren?
I'll have to go with Lauren. I'm really sorry.
I feel like I've let everybody down. I feel like everybody watching this was expecting me to do unbelievably amazing makeup.
You did alright,
Work.
just a little bit less on the lips.
Less on the
Yeah.
lips.
And
Alright.
eyes. And
And
foundation.
eyes. Just everything.
And blush.
I think I've sufficiently embarrassed myself for today. Alright, that's it for now. In the next DIY disaster video, I'm probably going to attempt to make a 3-tier wedding cake. I can't bake box cookies from Coles or Woolworths, so that's also not going to go particularly well. So stick around for that one. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.